but
Hmm.
it's not terrible. It's not like it's not daggers like it used to be. It's painful, but not. I can take it. I can do it for a while.
Okay, but what about the ball, the foot area on your left on your left foot?
Oh, haven't done that one yet.
Mm.
This one was okay.
It's not hurting no more?
The ball of your foot.
Oh, the ball on this one was okay.
It's okay now? Because I remember you were telling me that when you do this one, the ball of the foot hurts.
100%.
Yeah, this is much better.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I'm telling you, they feel much better once I've been up on my feet. It's just that moment now. It's like it's a shorter period of time when I get up.
Yes, I know, but that was for me, that was the biggest challenge because you had neuroma on that foot.
Yeah.
And it's not hurting on the ball of the foot when you do this anymore?
No.
Yes! I'm so happy.
Last week you were like crying.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, usually on this foot, I guess it's right here, but it seems good right now.
Good. Because that means your body's healing.
Nothing is hurting right now that much, so it's all good right now.
Good. We're gonna get better and better and better and better and stronger and stronger. It's like a point.
It's been since the December last year.
It was hurting since December, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm happy.
Yeah. I had that boot on and all sorts of, it feels like you're walking on a broken foot is what it feels like. It feels like your bones are broken and you're trying to walk. It's
right.
absolutely ridiculous.
Right. And you tried the podiatrist boot, it didn't help.
For 6 weeks, yeah.
Right, it didn't help. Okay, good. We're 6 sessions in.
All it did was make my hips horrible, and then my hips were killing me.
So you tried this for like 2 hours and it helped.
Good. No, it takes some time. She has been working all these exercises for 6 weeks now. It's half into our 12 week.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's good. I mean, if she
Wait, what did you say? We're half what?
Halfway into like
halfway into
12 seconds.
I didn't know we were gonna end.
We didn't say we have to end. You can continue.
we don't have to. We don't have to end. I'm here. All right. So elevated top curls. So Jeff, how's your toe behaving?